Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to use Google Lens app. It is a must app for every teacher. This app can be used to identify object, to copy ready-made or printed text from hard page to your computer or mobile, and also you can listen text given in any language. Now I will start with demo of Google Lens. For this purpose you need to download Google Lens app from Play Store. Now I will click on my Google Lens app. Once you click, you will see at bottom side options are there. This first option is for translation. So I can make translation from any language to any another language by using this option. The second option is for text, and third option is automatic selection. Now I will show you. I am having one book and I want to copy text from that page to my mobile phone. Then normally what we do typing. But now by using Google Lens there is no need to do typing. You can directly copy text from that hard copy page and paste your copied text into computer or your mobile phone. So for this purpose I will click on second option, that is text, and I will hold my mobile phone over the text. Now it is saying text found in image, select all, or I can tap the text and I can select like this. So this is how I am going to select my entire text. See, you can select whatever text you want. If I selected this much text and if I want to copy this text, then I can click on this copy option which is showing at left side. So I will click on copy text. Now I can go to my mobile and I can paste the text. I will just show you. So this is how I can paste my text. So there is no need to do typing. Again, I will go back to Google Lens. If I want to listen this text, then at right side bottom, I have option listen. Once I click on this option listen, mobile will start talking my selected text. Now I will click on listen option.
Mangroves a evergreen forest found extensely in the start where made analyze read the sense the intertitle. O'Share Anison Creek where.
So this is how you can directly read text from hard copy. If I want to translate this text from any other language, then I can select this translate option. I just need to click on translate. Then it will show me from which language translation should be there. So I will select from English because this page is English, and to my native language, that is Marathi. So the moment I select Marathi, this Google Lens app has translated the information which is available on the hard copy in English, and now it is available in Marathi. If you scroll up, the text is there in English which I copied from the book, and the same text has now been translated in Marathi. So this is how you can use this Google Lens app for your regular notes preparation, typing, or any other work. Again, if you want to know more information about the text copied, then there is Google search option, and you just need to click on the search option. Then whatever the information about this text available on Google, it will show you the links to different web pages. So this is a very interesting and amazing app every teacher should have in his mobile. Another feature of this app is it identifies the objects. So this auto search option is there. Suppose I want to identify something, I don't know the name, I will show you. So this is something is there and I want to search, so I will just take the photograph of that object and it is going to show me that information about that object. So these are the headphones. I will try with another example. I am having this bottle. I will just take photograph and it will identify that this is Himalaya Safety tablets. For more results, I can click on more results and I will be directed to Google. So this is the very interesting and amazing app we should have. It is useful in our academic as well as research purpose. Thank you.